Hey guys, come make spaghetti with me. This was me when I woke up this morning to prepare for work. So I had to make spaghetti what I'm gonna eat today in the office because I'm broke. I don't have money to buy food, guys. So let me know in the comment section if this is how you prepared your spaghetti. Okay, so as for me, I love to first of all boil the water first. Okay, this was me when I was trying to bring out the spaghetti from my stove. So I brought it out and I was looking for pots, and at this point I needed to put my egg inside the kettle, add some water to it to boil. Okay, so at this point I need to set up the fire and place it on my gas and light the gas so I could start boiling the water to be put in the spaghetti later. Okay, so guys, one thing that annoyed me about this egg is that this egg actually got spoiled and I didn't know. Okay, so this was just me trying to break the spaghetti, and at this point I was watching, like I was looking at my mirror because I filmed those video with my back camera, so I needed to use my mirror to look at how I'm doing it. Okay, if I can see myself very well. So this was just me looking at myself trying to stay okay so I could continue breaking my spaghetti. So this was just me trying to arrange it. So I love breaking it into like two pieces, okay, so that it will still be long. So this was just the whole process how it went. I was just cutting it at this point, so I had to show you guys how it was. So at this point I needed to pound my crayfish, guys. As you all know, I'm a village girl, so I need to use mortar and pestle to pound my crayfish. At this point the water was already boiled, so I needed to put it inside the spaghetti. So I was now pouring the water inside the spaghetti and I was still doing the process, and at this point I was done. So I needed to set all my parts on the fire and light it. Then I needed to reduce the light because I want to fry the stuff. That's me putting the groundnut oil. So at this point you can see my face, guys. I needed to put some onions and stir it. So at some point in time I needed to add my tomato because the heat from the pot was so hot. I added my crayfish and this was the whole process. I needed to add some pepper to it. I so much love pepper very much, so at this point I needed to add pepper to it. Let me know if this pepper is too much in the comment section. Of course it wasn't too much because I still added pepper after this one. So I needed to add my salt to it. So this was just me putting in my salt. Okay, so at this point I needed to go get some water and put inside the pot. First of all I needed to fry the tomato for a while before I added some quantity of water that would be enough for me to use and cooked. So this was just the whole process. So this was just me stirring out the pot. You can see my face at this very point in time. I don't know why I just like licking my lips whenever I'm doing something, guys. I don't know, but that's just the truth about it. Okay, so at this point I needed to cover my pepper and I needed to put some maggi to it. So at this point I was now washing my spaghetti inside my parts. Okay, so this was just, you can see me licking my lips here. I don't know why I keep on doing this, guys. So I was trying to make sure the spaghetti did not fall off and they are all inside the parts. Okay, so I was still bringing out some that was left inside the water. So I was just doing the whole process. At this point I needed to add this ongar, the spices one. So I needed to add it to the spaghetti because I love adding it to my spaghetti. And at this point I needed to put some onions to it, and this was just me putting my onions, and I needed to cover it after everything and leave to go take my bread. Okay, so after that I was done. So I needed to peel my egg, guys. You can see the egg right there. The egg got spoiled, so I couldn't bring it to work. So this is the finished part of the spaghetti. Let me know what you think about this process in the comment section. Please guys, like, share, follow, subscribe for more amazing tutorial like this. Bye guys, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. I hope you love what you are seeing. So this is just me still showing you guys the spaghetti.